Hello everyone, I'm Rachel from the Innisfil Idea Lab and Library, and we're going to learn a little bit some tips and tricks in the Cricut Design Space program. Today we're going to learn about contouring, so let's get started. When you bring in some of your images or upload an image into the Cricut Design Space, you have more options to edit them, and we're going to take a quick look at some of those right now. So let's click on our taco image. I like my image, but I want to remove some of these lines here, and there's a way that you can do that. If you go over to the right-hand side of your toolbar, down at the very bottom, you can click Contour. And what Contour does, it allows you to remove different shapes and backgrounds. For instance, I can click on these ones, or I can re-click on them, and that's letting me know that they will either appear or disappear. But if I click on just my little lines here sticking around they start to disappear. And if you go over to the sidebar, you can also scroll through and find your lines as well. This is one of them. Okay. So I'm going to just do that, and when I'm done, I'm going to hit the X. And you can see now that my lines are done. Now I've done something here too, so let's see what we can fix. If I go back into tacos, I'm going to just click on that O again, and then I'm going to close my menu. And there you go. I've been able to edit some of these. Now you can also do this if you want to switch different colors. If I make it to copy and say I just want the taco to be a different color, I'm going to then click on one of these, click Contour. I'm going to remove all the part that says taco. So these ones, I'm going to use my letters and I'm going to use them as a red. And then when I click on this one, I'm going to remove just the letters and turn that taco green. So you can either click and select your letters or shapes, or you can use the sidebar. It really depends. Just remember, when you are clicking them, you also have to click the inner shapes. So anything that will cut out of O's, B's, A's, any letters like that, just make sure to double click them so that way you have your items all hidden. There you go. So again, I'm going to go up to my color swatch here. I'm going to click green, and now when I go to get it cut out of the Cricut, it will do two different layers, and I can layer them on top of each other. And that's this week's tips and tricks in the Cricut Design Space. I'm Rachel from the Innisfil Idea Lab and Library. Thanks for joining me.